Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to isolate a layer in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. Let's say I wanted to isolate this green shaded area in my project. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this Layer Isolate button right here. And if I don't want to click on the button, I can also type in _lay ISO. Then I have to select all the layers that I want to isolate. I just want this green shaded layer, so I'm going to click on it. And then I'm just going to press enter to finish isolating the layer. Now if I zoom out, you can see all the shaded areas that I have on this layer are visible, but nothing else is. If I want to bring back the rest of my drawing, all I have to do is go up to the top and click on the Unisolate Layer button, or type in the command _lay uniso. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful or you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you know what you want to see next in our MSCAD series, leave it in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with all our MSCAD content, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You can always give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 if you have any questions, or you can visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.